Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with Vinci. How are you all? Now we are coming to the end of the chapter fraction finally. So today's topic is very simple, which is known as division of fraction. Now a division of fraction is a very simple concept, but it is simple only if you know this concept which is known as reciprocal. Now if I keep it very simple so that everyone can understand, reciprocal basically means ulta. That means if I have just written out here, numerator becomes the denominator. Okay, now, for example, this is 2 by 3, right? So 2 by 3. Now, if we want to do reciprocal of it, then it will change as, it will basically change and become 3 by 2. That means the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. This is a simple concept which we have to keep in mind while we are doing division of fraction. This is the first thing which is very important when we are dealing with the sum of any sum of division of fraction. Now we'll go on to how do we divide. Now in order to divide a fraction by another fraction, say for example, wait, let me change the color of the pen. Okay, 12 by 7 divided by 3 by 7. Now this is a sum given to you. Okay, now let's go back to the theory what I've already written. It says in order to divide a fraction by another fraction, when this fraction will be getting divided by this fraction, multiply the fraction by the reciprocal. That means what? There will be few changes in the sum. Okay, now what will be the changes? Now this divide sign will get converted into multiplication sign. That is the first change. No sooner will we change this divide sign into multiplication sign than this will change into its reciprocal. Okay, we have to convert. It says that multiply the fraction by the reciprocal. Multiply. So we are multiplying, right? We are multiplying it by the reciprocal. Now reciprocal is not 3 by 7. It will become 7 by 3. So simply if we start the sum, it will be 12 by 7. Divide sign will get converted into multiplication sign, and this 3 by 7 out here will change into its reciprocal. That means वो उल्टा हो जाएगा, n will become d and d will become n. 7 by 3, and over here we'll write what has happened out here. Reciprocal has happened. Simple. Now we all know what we have to do out here. We have to do the basic reducing, or in my language, cutting. 7 ones are 7 ones are 3 ones are 3 fours are. So the basic answer to this division is 4, which is your answer. A few rules that it says in order to divide a fraction by another fraction, और इसको अगर इसको divide करना है, इससे हम लोग को multiply करना पड़ेगा by its reciprocal. We'll change this first sign. Divide will get converted into multiplication, and 3 by 7, whichever number is coming after the division sign, that will convert into its reciprocal. Simple and sweet. No other formula to be applied. Whichever book we follow, whoever is teaching you, it should be as simple as such, nothing else. Now I would like to request you all to do one sum along with me to clear your concepts out. It says, okay, just 1 minute. So we'll complete some out here only. It says 4 1 by 3 divided by 13 by 5. This is a sum given to you. You all may pause the video and you all can do the sum and then come back and look at the sum. Now first step is that we need to convert this into an improper fraction. This was 12, 13 by 3 divided by 13 by 5. Now you must have noticed out here that this is in mixed fraction, this is not in mixed fraction. So the rule basically says that every student has to remember this, is that till the time you don't convert it into the into an improper fraction, we will not be doing any further steps. आप पहले इसको convert कर लो, उसके बाद आपको कुछ भी करना वो करो. But first this thing has to be converted. Both needs to be on the same page. अगर ये mixed में है तो उसको improper में करना होगा. Now next step was what? We'll just do the reciprocal thing out here. So 13 by 3 into 5 by 13. This will go up and this will come down. This is known as reciprocal. Okay. And what does the formula of division says? It says in order to divide a fraction by another fraction, multiply the fraction, multiply the fraction by its reciprocal. Its reciprocal is this and nothing else. Then we start reducing simply. 13 ones are 13 ones are. This will be as 5 by 3 because they are not reducing more, and since 5 is larger, that means the numerator is larger than the denominator. We'll just simply divide. 3 ones is 3. This will become 2. So one whole number 2 by 3 is your basic solution to this division. Okay. Now to conclude my class, I'll do one more example. That is the third example for the class. It says 5 1 by 3 divided by 8 by 9. So if you by chance have got the first sum wrong, you may try this sum also along with me. And if your first sum was correct, then very good, you have understood the concept. And do this sum along with me, or again pause the video, copy the sum and do it. Now this sum is very simple again. Convert it. Ask yourself, पहले क्या करना है? पहले क्या करना है भैया? इसको convert करना है. ये convert नहीं होगा. So let it be like that. This will get converted from 16 by 3 divided by 8 by 9. Now what if you'll write it as 16 by 3 into 9 by 8. If I am the teacher, I will keep it wrong. Why? The simple reason that when this portion was there, this portion wasn't there, right? This division sign out here was for 5 whole number 1 by 3. Now we're getting 16 by 3. So there's a difference in the calculation out here. The first, if you're converting it, we will make sure that this two things on the same page with the division sign and not with the multiplication sign, and not nothing reciprocal. Well, it was for 8 by 9, this division sign. It wasn't for 9 by 8, right? So first complete that portion and then do the rest of the part. Now 16 by 3 into 9 by 8. What have we done out here? We have done the reciprocal. Simply cut it. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Now to do more depth calculation out here for children, if you are weak in reducing, this is a perfect class and perfect time for you. 2 fours are 8, 2 eights are 16, 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay, or either we could have done 8 ones are and 8 twos are 6, 16, and we would have got 2 out here as it is. But little depth में चल जाता हूँ, कोई बात नहीं. We have 2 out here, we have 3 out here. 2 into 3 is 6 by 1, or 6 is your answer to this particular sum. I hope so that this 3 example has made your concepts clear for the concept of division of fraction. For that we have to know reciprocal, which we have already learned now, and then in order to divide a fraction by another fraction, we have to multiply it with its reciprocal. ठीक है ना? Remember this formula. I bet in the whole world that your sum will never go wrong. So this is Vinci sir signing off. Until next time, bye bye, and do take care of yourself.